Welcome to the A to Z for the perfect shisha at home. Here's how to prepare your shisha. Choose your flavor or mix. Take it out and break it up and place it into the shisha head. There are two ways to heat your shisha. First, foil. Lay a piece of foil over the bowl and fold in the edges. Poke holes through the foil. Place your bowl on top of the shisha stem. Add your coals to the shisha head. Enjoy! The second way to heat your shisha is to use a heat management device, or HMD. Simply insert your coal into the HMD and place it on top of the bowl. Now, coals. Placing your coals on a coil burner is the simplest and safest way to light them. Quick light coals are convenient. However, we recommend natural coconut charcoal. Remember to stay safe, prepare your own shisha, and allow others to prepare theirs. Now you're ready to smoke. Please take care of yourselves and one another by not sharing your shisha with anyone.